Hello class, my name is Gagandeep and today we are starting our new chapter 2, Theme Second Almanac. The name of the chapter is Calendars and Timeline. As we all know, calendar we all use or we all saw in our home, in our houses. With the help of calendar we can see date or day, on which date which day is coming, or more things we can see in the calendar. Holidays and our festivals we can see in the calendar. So what calendar we are seeing or using in our day-to-day life? The Gregorian calendar. The Gregorian calendar was introduced by Pope George XIII in October 1582. The Gregorian calendar was first came into existence in October 1582, and it was introduced by, or it was discovered by, we can say that, by Pope George XIII. It is internationally the most widely used calendar. It is used in India and other countries of the world also. It is a solar calendar that is followed in most of the countries. It is a solar calendar that is used in most of the countries. The solar means related. A regular Gregorian year has 365 days. As we all know, a normal year have only 365 days. The Gregorian calendar reformed the Julian calendar, and the Gregorian calendar was reformed, or we can say that corrected, or after being correction in the Julian calendar, the Gregorian calendar was made. As regards leap years, the Gregorian calendar says what this is: every year that is exactly divisible by 4 is a leap year. We have to divide exactly every year that is divisible by 4 is a leap year. If 2020 divisible by 4, then it is a leap year. Every year which is divisible by 4 is a leap year, except for the year that are exactly divisible by 100. If the year is exactly divisible by 100, but these century years are leap year if they are exactly divisible by 400. And thus if the year is divisible by 100, that year is known as century. But if the century year is divisible by 400, then it's also called a leap year. For example, the year 1700, 1800, 1900, that are not leap years. They are not leap years, but they are divided by 4. But the year 2000 is a leap year. In Gregorian calendar, a common year is divided into 12 months. As we all know that we have our 12 month in our year. So same Gregorian calendar also have 12 months of different length. So on the right side, the calendar structure: serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 2 represent the number of months. So 12 months in a year. The name of month is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. The length of days: January has 31 days, February has 28 or 29 days, 28 in normal year, 29 days in a leap year. In March 31 days, April have 30 days, May have 31 days, June have 30 days, July have 31 days, August also have 31 days, September have 30 days, October have 31 days, November 30 and December 31 days. This is the structure of Gregorian calendar. So, in Gregorian calendar, a common year is divided into 12 months of different length. All months have different length. 11 months of the year have either 30 or 31 days. As we can see that 11th month have 30 or 31 days, but the second month, that is the February, has 28 days in a common year. However, every fourth year is a leap year, and every fourth year is a leap year in which February has an extra day, that is 29th day. Thus, a leap year has 366 days. So, that leap year have a 366 days. The year 2020 will be a leap year. So, we can say that, or we see that the 2020, the last year, is the leap year, which have 29 days in the month of February. Why so? Students, we all saw calendar from childhood and using it, but we all have one question in our mind: why there is 28 days in the month of February? Why not in any other month? And one more question: why 28 days? Why not 30 or 31 days? If we can see easily, 7 month of 30 days is equal to 210 days, and 5 month of 30 days is equal to 155 days, is equal to 365. The total is 365. But in leap year, 6 month of 30 days is equal to 188, and 6 month of 31 days 186. The total is 366. If we have this type of months, we don't have any problem, but it is not so. Let's learn through this video. Let's first learn why February has 29 days. Every fourth year, students take 365 and 6 hours to complete one revolution around sun, and we reserve 6 hours every year up to 3 years and added in fourth year. That's why February has 29 days in fourth year.